This KAATSU training video was recorded in high definition and is suitable for full screen viewing. If you are viewing this video on the KAATSU Master or KAATSU Nano, you may view it in full screen mode by simply tapping the video. To return to standard viewing, simply tap the screen once more. KAATSU Master 5-1 KAATSU Videos. Press KAATSU Videos to watch educational or inspirational videos that can be downloaded from the KAATSU Global website. Videos can be seen either in full screen or 75% of the full screen. Tap the screen to watch full screen. Tap again to reduce the video to 75% of the full screen. Press Open to run the KAATSU Video Manager. Select the desired video by scrolling up or down with the arrows. The following are some examples of videos that you can play directly from the KAATSU Master.
Applying a suitable pressure to the upper arms and legs through which arteries and veins run moderately restricts blood flow. When that happens, the brain senses danger and sends an order to the heart to increase blood flow. The pressure within veins rises, blood travels to the most remote capillaries, and blood vessels dilate. Repeatedly applying and removing pressure increases the diastolic and contractile functions of seldom used capillaries, and this improves the blood circulation of the whole body. Also, as a result of KAATSU training, the nitric oxide produced by endothelial cells lining the inside of the blood vessels starts to increase. Nitric oxide is involved in the constriction and relaxation of blood vessel walls and the control of inflammatory cells. With continued KAATSU training, nitric oxide increases and acts on the inside of blood vessels, restoring their elasticity. KAATSU training also has a toning effect on muscle. Muscle can be divided into two types: fast muscle, which is mainly used in activities such as sport to generate explosive power, and slow muscle, which is more suited to endurance. Because these muscles develop in different ways, normally they cannot be toned at the same time. In KAATSU training, because blood flow is suitably restricted, slow muscles run out of oxygen first. This tricks the brain into thinking the body is performing high-intensity exercise, and so fast muscle, which normally takes time to act, also starts working. The result is that both kinds of muscle can be toned at the same time. As muscle becomes fatigued, it produces lactic acid. KAATSU training increases the amount of lactic acid, which in turn stimulates receptors within the muscle. With a rise in the concentration of lactic acid in the blood, the brain issues an order to increase the secretion volume of growth hormone. Growth hormone circulating within the body causes fat to be burned and activates metabolism.
So as you can see, the KAATSU Master provides a valuable media center from the device itself to present both educational and inspirational videos. The KAATSU specialist and the KAATSU client will benefit greatly from features like these. In Japanese, ka means additional, and atsu means pressure. So KAATSU literally means additional pressure. The acronym SKU stands for Standard KAATSU Units, and it refers to the amount of additional pressure that is applied in KAATSU training. The KAATSU master can measure between 0 and 500 SKUs. The precision and the sensitivity of the KAATSU master are essential features as they enable the KAATSU specialist to customize KAATSU training so that it is properly set for each individual client. This understanding of the personalization of KAATSU training is foundational to understanding why it is safe, efficient, and easy to adopt. A growing number of doctors recognize that KAATSU can make a huge difference. Some are already beginning to identify ways in which KAATSU could revolutionize medical care. Others, fascinated with the science of KAATSU, are demonstrating the differences between correct KAATSU and incorrect KAATSU. And the possibilities are truly unlimited as KAATSU training has expanded from dry land usage to a growing number of aquatic applications. Dr. Sato, of course, is the inventor of KAATSU training and the patent holder of all KAATSU equipment. He is also a fellow in the National Academy of Inventors. Dr. Sato realized that the optimal pressure is different for each individual because what is appropriate for one person may not be appropriate for another. A certified KAATSU specialist, therefore, will know how to determine the proper SKU on a client-specific basis. This is extremely important, and quite frankly, it is what separates KAATSU training from everything else. The KAATSU certification program provides the foundational knowledge and the protocols which are necessary to ensure the proper use of KAATSU equipment for the maximum benefit of KAATSU clients. The KAATSU certification program provides extensive coverage in the topic of base SKU and optimal SKU. For more information about the KAATSU certification program, visit KAATSU-global.com. Thank you for watching this KAATSU training video for the KAATSU Master. Be sure to watch all the available video trainings for your KAATSU equipment to gain a full understanding of its features and benefits. KAATSU, profoundly simple and simply profound.